welcome back to another episode of our CRX budget build. Today's a big day.
It is a big day. And driving.
Should have driving today. We've got a cluster for it. Finally came through with that. We got a header and downpipe for it. And we have an axle for it.
Two axles.
Two axles technically, which we need both of them.
Yeah.
And we had a donor car come through for us, so we have pretty much any parts we'll need as far as stuff for that goes.
The head, intake, what else?
Transmission,
clutch, flywheel.
So anything we need, we have.
Yeah.
It's going to be a busy day today, so let's get to work. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the episode.
All right.
Well, here we are.
Yeah.
Got some new parts. We did finally get a cluster here.
And it's clean.
It is an automatic cluster.
It'll work.
It'll work.
All the connectors plug in, but we're missing one. So that's the RPM. So we'll figure that out probably today.
Got an axle, finally.
And I guess we got a whole header. So that's with an O2 sensor.
So we are golden as far as everything we need to drive this safely goes. Now it's just a matter of
Putting it all in.
putting it all in. It's going to be a fun-filled episode today of putting axles in. Really, realistically, once we get that axle in, fix the bolts on the mount, we should be able to drive the car today without an issue.
Then also fix that oil leak first.
You have to fix an oil leak too, but this should be the last time we had to push it into the bay.
Should be driving today.
Alright, let's get to work. Let's get to work.
Everybody get your hands up.
Fuck, chop it off at 1040.
That's exactly what I was going to say.
Yeah, it does. Alright, so we found the transmission has fluid. It looks pretty good, so we're just going to top it down to make sure we have the correct amount, especially after we remove some. We got the axle in pretty quickly. That went very, very easily to put that axle in. 10 minutes. All we have to do now is figure out that oil leak, and then we can drive it, so we should have it driving pretty quick here.
Alright, we just finished changing the fluid on the tranny. Well, we didn't really change it, we just checked it and then topped it off. Right here is the drain plug. It's kind of messy here. There it is right there. That's the drain plug. You just crack that loose. Look at the fluid quality as it comes out. We found this is a service plug. Had to get it a snap ring on one of the gear sets. This is actually the fill plug right here. You pull this one out. You should fill it until it at least a steady stream of fluid starts coming out, then plug it before it stops coming out. So yeah, we got a tranny serviced and an axle in, I don't know, what was it, 20 minutes?
About 20 minutes.
Yeah, these are nice cars. Easy to work on. Next, throw the wheels on and see if we can drive it.
Right now, we're gonna put the wheel on, and if she goes into gear and moves under her own power,
This is gonna be a fun car.
we just gotta fix the oil leak then, and
Should we do that right now?
yeah, probably. Well, fix the oil leak, hopefully.
Yeah.
Oil level's good, transmission level's good. I got to peek into the RPM gauge. I did a little digging, figured out where that cable's or where the wires should be for that, so I'll just have to look on that.
Easy.
Axle's in. We have lug nuts on all the wheels now, as we should. I think we're ready to test drive it now.
Yeah.
I think we're ready to test drive it.
It's so positive. Yeah.
So if it drives, then the next thing we have to do is just get a cluster in it, get the dash back in, get another seat bolted up.
We need to fix that gauge the cluster as soon as possible.
Yeah.
Because it's kind of hard to drive it without RPM or speedometer.
So speedometer we can fix for sure. All right, here we go.
Alrighty.
Well, she drives.
Right, just geared.
We shifted up to second. It does go. The RPM gauge doesn't work, which I was kind of anticipating.
The manuals didn't have RPM either.
This car didn't have an RPM gauge from the factory. The cluster we got had an RPM gauge. There's no connector as far as I know for that. We'll deal with that later. But the speedometer works.
Which is all we really need.
All we really need. The car shifts smoothly.
Which is very important because honestly,
Oh wait, it was actually so we only did it on the lift right now, so we haven't actually driven it yet. We're gonna fix that trans mount real quick and then try actually driving it. But no, she drives just fine, so we should be fine. We need shifter bushings, those are bad. Yeah, but she drives. So next couple videos we should be starting on what we want to do with the car. Yeah, so keep watching.
you're right. It doesn't.
Are you ready?
I don't know.
Can I shut the hood? Oh my god. Hold on. I need to... The window's down. I'm gonna die. It'll be a quick drive. What? What a pretty good bungee it took. There you go. Let's go for a drive. All right.
Oh God.
You can't see a thing out of
My clutch is horrible.
Is it?
Bite point is nowhere. Oh my God, the steering is so low. Probably time to go back
Yeah.
or get gas.
Let's go to the gas station.
This thing sounds horrible.
I know. I told you it's slow.
Backfiring is kind of cool. Clutch works.
It drives. It
drives.
officially drives.
Oh my God.
This would be a great time to pass a cop.
Oh my God.
Can't really bump.
No, we cannot.
You are screwed. You're gonna get pulled over. Go back to the shop. Get it back to the shop.
Right back to the shop.
Yep.
We have no signals.
Let's get it in there before this cop comes. Garage door opening right now. You might want to hurry.
Where's the opener?
I don't know. Like, hurry up. Shut the door.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I cannot believe we didn't get pulled over. Alright, 1 month ago, we bought a car that didn't run, had a broken tranny mount, had a broken axle, no interior,
Excess wiring problems.
excess wiring problems.
And we already got it running and driving.
It's outside. You guys saw earlier, we took it for a drive, got cut a little short. We didn't get pulled over somehow.
Miraculously, yeah. Pulled up to a cop, he was turning right. Turned his turn signal off. He saw us, we had no plates, no front plate. Rear plates, the tabs expired in 2012.
No turn signals.
No turn signals,
exhaust.
no lights, no.
100% illegal to drive on the streets.
And we somehow made it back.
And we didn't get pulled over.
So yeah,
I think that's a sign.
yeah, this car was meant to be.
So,
Well, next week, or next video, it's called what to say. We've got, I'm gonna hold it up.
absolutely.
We've got, pull this off of the car out there. So we've got all exhaust, and it looks exactly the same bends here as the under panel. So we should be able to feed this all the way through and use the whole exhaust. But we shouldn't have to, we might cut this off and put like an eBay fart can or something, because it'll be a little louder, but we're gonna do exhaust next, and then get that header on there as well. Maybe start getting the quarter panel and the body back on there. But yeah, we got this nice little header on here. Are we sure that this is gonna bolt up?
Oh yeah.
So yeah, next is header, exhaust to make it quiet and drivable again. Put the body panels back on. Somehow figure out RPM. Maybe we could run our own signal there. Something along that lines. Look at the wiring on the gauge cluster, see if we can't make it work. What else? Eventually swap intake and head.
Eventually intake head, maybe a whole engine, put a V16 or something in there down the road. But we got some big plans for us. Should we tell them what our plan is?
No.
Not yet? Alright. Well, you guys will have to wait and see then. Next couple videos, probably let you know on there. I think we're getting close to being able to start modding it as far as what we want to do with it.
We're getting close to it running really well. We might be able to see it out there smoking.
Get the interior somewhat put back together, at least as far as the dash goes.
Dash, we need to get the dash.
And door cards come. Or at least window.
At least window over, yes, thanks.
But I mean, this thing's just trucking right along. We're making some really good progress on this.
For most of the cars this old, I mean, we would be fighting and fighting and fighting everything, but apparently this car is just completely
The car
built.
wants to come back to life. It really does.
Yeah. So,
I'd say that just about does it. In the near future, expect a couple more videos that aren't necessarily CRX related.
Yeah.
We got a couple ideas coming at you guys pretty quick here.
a few new ones here and
So
there.
we'll touch more on some other cars, some other things, some stuff we haven't done before. And on top of our obvious our CRX build, that's not going anywhere.
Well, stay tuned, you guys. Subscribe if you like the video.
Hit that like button, bell icon, hit us up on social media.
Give it up.
See you guys next time. Now it does.
Yeah. Alright, got it. Oh, it hurts to shut it off.